Hey, Gary Baker here with you from 30minutemarketing.net. By the end of this quick video, you're going to know exactly how to make money with WarriorPlus using YouTube. So let's get right into it. As you can see here on the screen, this is the sales dashboard inside my WarriorPlus account. And what I want to show you and focus on is the things that happened today and yesterday and talk about exactly how I use YouTube to make that money. So first things first is you look at the sales dashboard and you want to go to your affiliate stats. You click on your affiliate daily stats. That brings up the affiliate stats, and then what you're going to see here is you're going to see Children's Printable Empire Easy Flyers Cartoon Edition, and then you're going to see the hops and the sales, hop rate conversion, all this great information, and then of course the total amount that you made from the commission or made from the sale. Now let's jump over to my YouTube channel and show you exactly how I did this. So here we are on the channel dashboard. So let's go ahead and take a look at each video. There's two videos that I use to make those commissions with WarriorPlus, and then I'm going to show you exactly how I set those up on the video themselves as far as the description and the pinned first comment. So we'll go ahead and we'll hop over to how to make flyers in PowerPoint, easy cartoon edition, and low content publishing. As you can see right here in the description, I simply just added the title and a link to the description, and then down below that, how to make flyers in PowerPoint and a link to the description. And then when I'm in the video, and this is key, when you're in the video, what are you doing in the video on YouTube? You're not just reading the sales page and just telling people exactly what they already know, what the product is. Yes, you want to highlight the features, but you want to put an emphasis on the benefits. What is the person going to get out of getting this product? That's what a review video is about. It is about telling people the features, but it's also about making sure they understand the benefits of the product when they pick it up through your link in the description below, right? So that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be adding a call to action. And in the video, as you talk about the features and the benefits, highlighting why this product is going to help the person get the end result of what they desire, which is the only reason they're watching your video, is to make sure that they get what they need out of it. Then you're going to make sure that you point, or you're just going to reference the link in the description and say, hey, this is what it is, this is what it does, this is what's going to help you. Make sure you check it out in the link in the description. For example, I'm making this video to show you how to make money on WarriorPlus using YouTube. So if you check the link in the description, you'll find out a simple step-by-step process that you can use to start your own online business today. So really, check the link in the description for that simple process of using YouTube, which is exactly what I'm showing you right now. So more to the point of this video and what happened here, how to make flyers in PowerPoint, link in the description. So someone clicked on that link after I provided this valuable information in the video that they watched here, how to make flyers in PowerPoint. Now we'll go back to WarriorPlus and I'll show you how I know that. So here we are inside of WarriorPlus again, that same affiliate stats dashboard, and you can see Easy Flyer Cartoon, 1 hop, 2 sales. Of course, there's a front end and an upsell. So what you want to do at this point is click on Easy Flyer Cartoon Edition. That's going to open up a new page that's going to drill down into your stats for Easy Flyer Cartoon Edition, and you're going to see right here, Easy Flyer Cartoon Edition, and you're going to use what's called a tracking code, and this is just simply a tag that you put on the affiliate link you get from WarriorPlus, and you're going to see that that was 1 unique hop, 2 sales, 200% conversion, and I earned $25.58 from YouTube, because that's the tracking code I added to that link. So when they clicked on that link, again, on that video, you see the link right there, this link is tagged with the code YouTube, so I know that that purchase came from this YouTube video. So let's take another look at another video while we're here on the channel. So in this case, this is how to create puzzle books, make money with Amazon online, Children's Printable Empire review and bonus. Now this is sort of a combo video where I provided value up front, and then I said, hey, this is how you can create puzzle books, this is how you can make money online with Amazon, and also here's a product that can help you jumpstart your efforts and your work in creating puzzle books and making money online. And this is a training information product. So then I reviewed the product, I talked about the features, and I covered the benefits, which are easily creating puzzle books and making money online with Amazon. And then I simply said, check the link in the description for Children's Printable Empire Review Bonus. As you can see right here, once they click on that link, it's going to take them to what is called a bridge page. They landed on the bridge page. I provided more details. I provided more benefits, not features, but how this is going to help them. And then I provided a bonus. So now, not only did I review the product, give them value up front, tell them how they can use this product to make money on Amazon to create puzzle books, I'm also providing them a bonus to enhance the product to increase their chances of being able to succeed with what I taught them up front in that video. So then here, they click here to get the Children's Printable Empire Now. And if you don't know how to do any of this, again, there's a link in the description for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can walk through. That'll take you through all the steps in this and show you exactly what it is I'm doing here on YouTube to make money online. So back to this, as soon as they click here to get the Children's Printable Empire Now book, I'm going to tag this with a link that says bonus page, or with a tag on the link that says bonus page. And I can show you how that works over in WarriorPlus again. So over in WarriorPlus, we have our affiliate stats dashboard, and we can see that we had 1 hop and 3 sales, and you can see the total. Again, we're going to click on this Children's Printable Empire link. That's going to open up the new stats page specifically for Children's Printable Empire that you see right here, my affiliate stats for Children's Printable Empire. And you're going to see Children's Printable Empire just for this one day, May 25th, and you're going to see a tracking code bonus page. So I know that they clicked on the link on the bonus page, so the bonus bridge page worked. It covered in more detail the features and the benefits, and I also gave them a bonus which will enhance the product and the value that I provided up front in the YouTube video. And I think I know what your next question is going to be, and I'm going to help you out a little bit here with that as well, because most people are going to watch this video and are going to say, great, but how do I become an affiliate for a product on WarriorPlus? Well, the first step is you have to set up your account correctly and make sure that you are identifying yourself as a professional and that you have an idea of what is going on, so that when the vendor looks at your account, they'll know whether or not they should approve you or take a chance on you and your traffic. And that starts with setting up your profile. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. So when a vendor is looking to get affiliates, when affiliates apply to be an affiliate for a vendor's product, they see request right here. As you can see right here, my affiliates, pending affiliates. You can see a list of pending affiliates here. You can see lots of information, but the information that I want you to focus on is the information you can control. So here you have the link to the affiliate site, then you have some information that you can put here, which is important to introduce yourself correctly, especially if you're a new affiliate. If you're a beginner, and if you're a beginner watching this, how you're going to do this on YouTube once you start setting up your YouTube channel and start getting traffic to your YouTube channel and then guiding it over to these affiliate offers. The thing that you don't want to do is be a gray head. So what's a gray head? Let me show you. This is a gray head. It's just like in any social media, it's just a blank profile. Reliable for you. Reliable for you is asking to be an affiliate for me, but he hasn't identified himself. I don't know who he is. You as an affiliate for my product represents you, but it also represents me. So if I don't know who you are, at least a basic idea of who you are, and you didn't bother to fill out your profile, then I'm not going to take you serious as an affiliate. Let me show you the second thing that you shouldn't do, which is almost as bad as a gray head, and it's not going to get you what you want, which is to be an affiliate for my product or for the product that you're trying to promote. And that's this. You added a picture, but it's not a picture of you. It's a cartoon picture of a happy smiley face with no other information. Again, this account, this affiliate is not going to get approved for my products because I don't know who he is. Now, if you were someone and I knew who you were and you contacted me, I would still have a hard time taking you serious because you didn't take the time to fill out your WarriorPlus profile. But again, don't make it any harder on yourself than it needs to be. Just fill out your profile. Make it look professional. I'll leave a link in the description. You can check out a video about how to do that where I talk about WarriorPlus for beginners, setting up your profile. Just don't be a gray head. Make yourself professional and let people know that you're professional, and you'll go a lot further. So there you go. Some tips on making money with WarriorPlus using YouTube. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos that you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.